𝕬𝕐𝕣 has three personalities: powerful, adventurous, futuristic. The world is changing, and 𝕬𝕐𝕣 is there to remind you to be prepared. Good morning from the heart of Europe, Brussels. My name is Alejandro Saad. Today, I would like to present my new clothing brand, 𝕬𝕐𝕣. I have decided to create the warning brand 𝕬𝕐𝕣, which addressing the urgent need for resilience and preparedness. 𝕬 derives from magnitude, which symbolizes the force of an earthquake. The word 𝕐𝕣 means everything and is a tangible symbol of the brand. Last but not least, my logo comprises the number 9, representing the maximum magnitude of an earthquake. My vision is 1994, the year of my birth, and also marked the beginning of my life hardships. Despite these obstacles, I found my passion and creativity as my driving force. My brand reflects my life journey. I want that all my future survivors who are my clients to wear comfortable clothes to feel the power from 𝕬𝕐𝕣 and the resilience in life.